Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm excited to be with you, sharing with you two applications that can help you transfer not only media in the form of photos, audio, or videos from your PC to your Samsung device and back, but also text too. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and let's go. So the first application I'm going to be installing here is QuickShare. Now, QuickShare is a known mode of transfer that you may think allows data transfer from your phone to another phone. But your Windows application also can install the QuickShare application that allows the transfer of the data back and forth. So today I'll be showing you how to download and use it. So let me show you. So first and foremost, you're going to go into any browser. In this example, I'm going to be using Google. So whilst you're in the Google Chrome, you're just going to type download QuickShare. All right. Once you're in, there are going to be several ways. The first one here we can see is android.com. Then we have a couple of them. The one I advise you pick is the Android. So I'm going to be showing you how to download from all sides. This is the Android link. Here we have the store link. Then we have Samsung's link itself. All right, so I'm going to be showing you in all of them. Here in Android, you're just going to come here and then click on this. That's android.com. You're just going to click on this, and when you click on it, immediately it's going to download. It also gives you the chance to go to the store, which when you click on, you're going to be greeted with this page, which is one that we had opened before, so they're opening the same thing. So if I clicked here, I'm going to be getting it also downloading there. Then if we come here to the Samsung.com link, scroll all the way down, and as you scroll down, you're going to meet the link here. So you're going to meet the Android link here, which is the same link. So if you click on this, it's going to take you directly to the first link that we were in, where you can download it from either Windows or from the Android page itself. So there you have it. Once you've downloaded them, we can come here into downloads. So here we can find two applications here. This is the installer from the Microsoft Store, and this is the installer from the Android page. So let's first and foremost use this one. When you double click on that, it's going to be telling you it'll be downloading it from the store, and then you're going to give it access to do that. You just wait. So here we can see it downloading. It's downloading it onto your PC. It's about 194.4 megabyte. Just give it time and it's going to finish. Now it's installing. And once it's done installing, it's going to look like this as you see it behind here. It's going to ask you to sign in. Now I'm going to be showing you both, so hold on. So it says this version of this isn't supported by your computer. Use the QuickShare application provided by Google instead. So for those who are going to face this issue, those who are going to use this route, you know that some of the issues you could face. So there you have it. We're going to now click off here and then now use this other option, which is the one we got from Google. So click on this and wait. All right. So after running that way, it's actually done installing. But I'm going to show you how you're going to get access to it. For people who have never used it on their PC, you might encounter something similar to what I'm encountering here. That is, once it's done installing, it's not going to be there. But I'm going to show you. All right. So what you're going to do now is we're going to close all this and then come here into the search. Then when you click on it, you're going to search for QuickShare, and you're going to find it there. So once you're there, you're going to open that QuickShare. All right. So it's going to open like this. And it's telling us that we do have two of them installed, one from the Microsoft Office. And so we're going to just uninstall that one. And then as of now, that is uninstalled. So we have this opening. It's going to ask you to sign in. You can work with it signed in or not. It's all fine. So in this instance, I'm going to sign in. So I'm just going to sign in with one of my accounts. And I'm signed in. So now if I come, it's going to be like this. To transfer content from here to there, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use two means. So first and foremost, we have to deal with what's on the left side here, which is who can share with you. So I'm going to come here and then click on this and then select that anyone, okay? Or you can select which one you want. So I'm going to select anyone just so that transfer is often seamless. So once I'm done, I can click on select and select the file or a folder. I'm going to show both. So clicking on the file is going to be like, I click on the file and it's going to open and then ask me to share. So I'm going to select this file and then select that. Because my device is right next to it, it's going to pop up and then I'm going to click on it this way. Then we're going to look here, we're going to get the option to accept. So I'm just going to hit on accept, and then immediately the file is transferring and it's going to be there. Let's look quickly here to make sure that whatever we sent is actually working. So I'm going to click on open, and there we have the file playing. Okay, then I'm going to swipe away and then back to this. All right, so there I have the file from there. I'm going to show you what if it's a folder. So let's look at folder. I'm done here. I can click on select and then select folder and take a full folder. So for example, here I'm going to select this folder and then I'm going to click on this select folder. So we've selected the folder and now we're going to click on this. It's going to immediately pop up and I'm going to hit on accept. It's going to quickly copy. Okay, so here we have a folder. I can close it and then come into my files. When I come into my files, I can come here and then check in downloads. If you want to know exactly where it is, in your downloads, you're going to scroll till you find quick share, which is going to be right there. And so when you select quick share, you're going to have everything that you've sent via quick share. And for this example, I sent a file, which is number 4. That's the name of the file. So if I come into my gallery, because it's videos, I can come into gallery. I can look for the file name 4. Number 4, there it is. And I can then have all that information inside. Okay, what if I want to transfer from here to here? Simple, same thing. I'm going to hold on to whatever I want to transfer, and then I can share, and then the PC now is going to show up like you can see it here. And then when I hit on this, it's also going to pop up asking to accept. So when I select this, it's then going to start transferring to the PC. This is how you can seamlessly be transferring data from your phone to your PC and from your PC to your phone. And this you can see was a whole album. So if I come here, I can open, and then it's going to open the folder. Now the album is going to come here as a folder, like you can see there. But instead of opening quick share before sharing the file, you could always also do this. You could come to the file, right click on the file, and in share, you would get the option of quick share. You can see the quick share here. Because we installed 2 and one was a bit faulty, that's why we have 2 of them there. So you can just select the right one and it's going to pop up this way. And then it's going to be looking around for the phone. In this instance, I'm just going to close this and it's going to pop up right there. Right there. Then now I click on this. It's going to show there. And then I'm going to click on accept. And immediately the image is going to pop up there. So there you have it with the quick share application, how you can install and how you can share data using it. Now moving on to the second application, which is known as Samsung Flow. Okay, I'll show you how to get that one also. So Samsung Flow, it's also an application that allows you to transfer data, that's photos, images, audio across devices like PC to this, and then also text. Now, let me show you how to do it. So you're going to come here into your browser. And while you're here, you're just going to type download Samsung Flow. Right, so like this, and you're going to come here into Samsung. And then while we're here, now we can click on Windows. And then now we can click on download. So it's going to download there, and then we have an installer. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to install right there. Okay, so here we have it behind here, it's installed. So it says seamless connectivity and continuity across devices. So what it is we can start it by clicking on start, but on your device or your phone, you also need to download the Samsung Flow. So what you're going to do is you're going to come inside your Play Store. And once you're in the Play Store, you're going to search for Samsung Flow. All right. And you're going to find it right there, Samsung Flow. And you're going to install that one also. So once it's installed, you're also going to open it here and then hit continue. Both of them are open at the same time. You're going to hit continue here. It's going to be searching for device, allow that, and allow notifications. Here, you're also going to click this and they're going to search for each other. So right now, they're communicating through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we can select this here and then select which means we want to connect. Wi-Fi or WLAN is the best and fastest. So I'm going to select that and then it's going to connect there. I'm going to hit OK here and I'm going to hit OK there. And immediately these two are connected. Okay, so some permissions that I need to turn on. I'm going to go in there and turn the permission for notification access on, and then I'll come back in here. Now look at this. If I want to share data from here to there or there to this is how it's going to be. I'm going to click on plus, and then I can select whatever I want to share, select it that way, and immediately it's there. That's how fast it is. I want to share data from here. I'm just going to click on this plus, let's use a video, and then I'm going to come in here and select this video and hit that, and there it goes. The file is already here, going round, and boom, it's here. Let's take it that there is some data that I have on my PC in the form of text that I want to bring to my phone. All I have to do is go in there, let's say here, and here is some description and title for an old video. So I'm just going to come into messages and then paste it here. Now everything has been pasted the way I just took it from there. So I'm going to click here, and then it's going to share it the same way that I shared it. So you can see it here. Every single thing is here. If I want to copy it, I can just copy it like that, and then I can even send it to my notes as a new one. And then there we have it, the exact way that I copied it. So this one does not just allow you to transfer data in the form of audio, video, and photos, but even text. All right, so there we have it. Today's video, I'm hoping it was exciting enough and you learned something new. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be doing as many of them as possible. I do have favorite applications that I love to use on my phone. If you want me to do or show you some of my favorite applications, also let me know in the comment section, that I would gladly do. So without wasting much time, I'm going to thank you for watching this video, and drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.